Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to work this ready-made template. More of 5 tips, really Google Docs 5 tips, and how to it work, and more of details. You can really helpful for your success. Okay. Let's start it. First we check out this ready-made template. You can see here this is more of template gallery. You can use any of type template gallery for use your work. It's ready-made, totally free. You can use this to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, Google Finance, investment tracker. You can use also your business. This is fully totally ready, and this is the calendar also available here, and a wedding planner, for and accounts, and this is the purchase order template also available. Weekly timesheet. You can work here. This is timesheet, time and payment here. Your company, and this is the project AB. Like this is a step name. You can set up here, and then this is the totals of work hour, and this is the bill. Okay. Billing rate $40 dollar, and this is 39 hour, and this is 1560 dollar. Okay. And to check out the sheet height, okay, we're going to the sheet of his work, and you can see here this is the sheet are already here, and how to you can hide number 2 or 3 sheet. Just click this right button, and this is the hide option. Hide is going, and here is notification also available, and sheet 3 here delete, duplicate, rename, protect sheet, and this is the hide sheet. This sheet also hide, and no one first check out this here, or you also need when you are more of sheet here, you just easily set up this hide sheet, and how to you can see here, and you can come back here the sheet, select this 3 dot, and sheet number 2, select this select here, and this come, and sheet number 3 select, and this is also a come. Okay. This is really helpful for when you more of sheet is you working here. Checkbox at this is really helpful. You can see here is a table I'm creating here, and you need to check box at just select the row and column is you are select row and column, and then you can go into the tools, not data, also data variation. You can also find it, I think checkbox, okay, we're going to the format. Sorry, edit, here you can say this is the checkbox. So directly you can set up this checkbox, and you also checkbox come to going this is data and data variation, and you can see here this is the more of option. This is the date option you can also available here, and a custom formula, and this is checkbox you can also add here. And this here also set up this checkbox. Okay, and when you work this okay, and you can just sign it. Okay. And we check out this comment add, how to you can easily comment add. You're going to sheet, and you need to comment here or comment here. Going to this option, mouse right button click comment, and here you comment is not working. Okay, and when you're going to add this, you can see this is not working, and when you check this mark, you can click here, is going to go on. Okay, and we check out this multi-file share option. You need to share this file, going to this file, and this is the email file, and you can share this more of type of option. Set up this with email and your message here, and send also your copy. Okay, and then you can send button, press is going. Okay, I think you understand. And you need to link up any of what to another site, or any of link like your Facebook, YouTube, and your personal website. Just select it, and yeah, the Facebook, and select this right button, and you're going to also here also insert link here, and this is also a link here, and you can say www.com. You can add here any type of link, your video link, your drive link, any of link you can add here, and when you click here, you're going to the Facebook. Okay, and you also need to delete, just to remove link, edit. Okay, apply. Okay, I'm writing here this Facebook, that's why this is gone. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, and best of luck.